So, welcome all. I'm Petra, and I'd like to introduce Colin Simmonds. I know Colin already for a while because we were also in another initiative together, and I really am delighted that I now can work so straightly directly with Colin. So I really noticed he's an expert, and as he just is about to say to us, he's 30 years in network marketing. And I've seen his presentation also. I really see this professional standing up, and I really adore that. I like professionals, and especially this initiative, it deserves it. So let's
Brilliant.
have Colin talking about Cloud 2.0.
Brilliant. Thank you, Petra. You're from Belgium, is that right, Petra?
Yes.
Brilliant. Thank you. I am Colin Simmonds. I'm calling you from the UK, Birmingham, in the United Kingdom. And it's my pleasure, really, just to explain an opportunity that came my way on the 1st of May. So it's just over 5 months ago that I first saw Cloud 2.0. Firstly, I've got a background in multi-level marketing, home-based business for over 30 years. I have tried all sorts of products in my time, from skincare, nutrition, helping people lose weight, auto ships, all these kind of things. And I've done okay, but a lot of my people haven't done okay. In the last 3 or 4 years, I've been more involved in cryptocurrency. And without doubt, that to me is the future. That's where everybody needs to be at. The whole aim of the game is to accumulate as many Bitcoins as we can, because that's what I believe is gold 2.0. That's what we need to do. And what I'm going to share with you today is a fantastic way that we can all accumulate more and more Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen and do a short presentation. So bear with me 1 second.
Yep.
Okay, let's get this out of the way first of all. Okay, hopefully you can all see my screen. Today I'm talking about a company called Cloud 2.0. They are the world's first social wealth wallet. Now, wealth wallet, it's very, very simple. All we do is we download an application to our smartphone. This application will be paying us an income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, what is this? Where do we get this app from? Quite simply from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. Now, if anybody on here today has been involved with any home-based business, especially to do with cryptocurrency, you'll know it's very difficult to get a business on the App Store. There's a lot of questions that have to be answered for Apple to approve it. And obviously with Cloud 2.0, Cloud Token, they have passed all of the requirements that Apple asked them for. Now, what is Cloud 2.0? What is Cloud Token? Well, quite simply, it's a digital wallet. It's a place where you can store, you can receive, and you can send cryptocurrency. On the left, I have a whole range of cryptocurrencies that you can send, from Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. There's a whole range of them. Now, what's so different about that? We've all seen different cryptocurrency wallets. In fact, in my 4 years, if I look on my smartphone today, I know I have at least 10 different wallets. All of them will have some Bitcoin in them. And none of them pay me a thank you every month for holding my crypto in that wallet. Cloud 2.0 has come along, and they are saying to me, Colin, if you hold some of your crypto in your Cloud Token wallet on your smartphone, we will pay you a daily reward. So to me, that makes absolute sense. I simply move some of my crypto across to my Cloud Token wallet, my Cloud 2 wallet, and I start to receive daily rewards. Very, very simple. Within the Cloud Token app, we have projects. Now, these projects are different ways that they will use the crypto to create income daily for me, daily rewards. The first project I'll talk about today is called Jarvis, Jarvis AI. This is artificial intelligence based on advanced trading software. Now, this is a smartphone. I don't need to be smart. I don't need to know how to trade. My phone can do it all for me. This Jarvis AI, what does it do? It rewards us every single day on the profits that it's made the day before. It's paid out to us in tokens, the cloud token. We can simply convert it into Ethereum, Bitcoin, or USD at any time we like. The minimum to participate, to be involved, is $1. So that makes it accessible for the whole globe. If you're looking to build teams of people, if you like what you see and you think, well, hang on, I know a whole lot of people that would like to benefit from this as well, it would make sense to have at least $500 worth of Bitcoin or crypto in your cloud token wallet so you can receive the rewards. The nice thing I like about this is there's no contracts. Any crypto that you hold on your cloud token wallet can be there for as long as you like. I mean, you have access to it. It's not held for any amount of time. The rewards will start coming in 24 hours, 48 hours after you've started Jarvis, and then every 12 hours after that, you'll get rewarded. How much do we receive? Well, it's between 6 and 12% per month, depending on how well the Jarvis bot is actually trading. But this is totally passive. We have nothing to do but move our crypto, our Bitcoin, into our Cloud 2.0 wallet. So I'll give you an idea, how much is that in money? Let's say you move just $1,000 worth into your Cloud Token app on your smartphone. You're looking at between $60 and $120 per month coming in, whether you get out of bed or not. How much is that in actual tokens? Well, you're going to be receiving something like 138 to 276 tokens a month. These tokens will have a certain value. That value of those tokens is likely to go up, as you'll see as I talk along. Again, if you had a bigger deposit of 5,000, which is like just under 1 Bitcoin today, you're looking at 690 tokens a month, up to 1,380 tokens a month. The name of the game is to accumulate as many of these tokens month after month after month at the lowest price that they are today, with a view that they're going to rise as the months go by. So how well has this price of this cloud token performed so far? Well, I started myself on May the 1st. Oh, well done. Okay, I'm a host now. I started on May the 1st. I can't get rid of that. Oh, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, yeah. I started on May the 1st. It was 30 cents. I've watched this token value rise up to 48 cents. Incredible. It actually did dip a little in September to 46 cents. Today, it's over 50 cents. Incredible. Incredible growth. And we're only just getting started. So who's behind Cloud 2.0? It's a guy called Ronald I. Now, I urge you to do some research on this guy. He's a high-tech gentleman. Go onto LinkedIn, find his LinkedIn profile. You'll see his last 25 years of history, what the kind of stuff he's been doing. Also on Facebook, he's very visible. This guy has made over 150 million smartphones. He used to work for Samsung. This guy understands mobile technology. He actually won an award for 2018 for his blockchain project of the year. Very, very smart guy, a guy that knows what he's doing. He actually invented his own blockchain. It's actually known as the 4th generation blockchain. Quick history, blockchain. First generation is Bitcoin. Then second generation, an improvement, some would say, is Ethereum. That's second generation. Third generation is a Ripple. Now, the problem with those first 3 generations types of blockchain is the more people that use them, the slower they get. What Ronald wanted to do was to change that on its head and produce a blockchain that works solely on mobile phones. And then the more people that use it, the faster it actually works. And that's exactly what he produced with his technology, this all-right technology. And that's what we have behind Cloud 2.0. His goal is to build a community of 100 million people. Big goals. His vision, our end game is to be the future of mobile banking, bigger than PayPal and WeChat combined. big ideas, big plans. And because he has a background in mobile phones, and everybody these days has a mobile phone, not everybody has a bank account, but everybody has a smartphone. If you could mute your mic, whoever's just come on. What I like about these projects is its full transparency on the blockchain. The blockchain does not lie. You can see every single thing that's going on with this project on the blockchain. Very, very important. Ronald I, again, as the main guy, he is very, very transparent. He's on Facebook, he's forever sharing with us how well the trading is doing. And by the way, he trades on some of the most best platforms that there are around. All 32 exchanges that we trade on are insured. Very important. Very transparent on everything that he does. He even actually shows videos of the trading that he does. I won't go through this video too much now because you probably really can't see it. But it's very, very transparent is my main point. Nothing is hidden from anybody. So why Cloud 2.0? Why Cloud Token? As I said already, there's no contracts. Your money's not tied in for 30 days, 6 months, or anything like that. It's incredibly simple and easy to use. We download an app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. We move our crypto into that app. It's making money for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whether we tell anybody else about it or not. This is real technology, real trading software. It's all there on the blockchain. It's a passive income, as I say, within 24 hours of starting. And there's multiple ways of creating income through this system. As I've already said, it's very transparent. The nice thing as well is if you have one Bitcoin in your wallet on your smartphone, you will always have one Bitcoin in your wallet on your smartphone. It's not changed for any, as they would say, shitcoin. You keep your Bitcoin, which you can move at any time you want as well, by the way, so you stay in control. This is so powerful that in the first 5 months, there are touching on over 1 million people now involved in Cloud 2.0. It's already in 150 countries. Remember, there's no packages to buy, no products to buy month on month, no license to buy, no auto ship, no membership. Very, very special. Now, when you're collecting these tokens, that's great. What do I do with them? Well, you convert them into Ethereum. You move them, as in step number 3, into Coinbase or WireX, and then you move it straight to your bank as cash. Very, very simple. What's coming? Last weekend, this was all launched. They launched a prepaid card. This prepaid card, everybody will have access to that's involved in Cloud 2.0. They have a travel platform called Cloud Travel, where you can pay for your hotels, your travel, through the app with your cloud tokens. They have a global SIM card that was just launched as well, which will give people free data. What does that mean? That your mobile phone bill you currently have will be reduced. If you could mute your mic, that would be great. Your mobile phone bill will be reduced because your data will be free, or you'll pay for your data through your cloud tokens. Fantastic. Merchant program. There'll be shops around the globe that will be accepting payment for products or services through Cloud Token. They've also launched 2 new projects, Rogue and Project Friday. Rogue is going to be a $10 program. So again, that's going to spread across the globe. Only just launched last weekend. Project Friday is for the people who have over $5 million of Bitcoin, that they want to get that in the system as well. So they have something for everybody. Now, what I've shared with you so far does not require any recruiting at all. This is one of the first few products I've seen, or industries I've seen, where there's people will make good money without introducing anybody. Now, what if you are able to build a team? What's the reward like for referring a friend? Well, it's huge, and I want to go through that right now. So let's say you are. You've told your first person about Cloud 2.0. This lady has 5 grand worth of Bitcoin sitting in her Coinbase account, not doing anything but going up and down in value. She moves it across into her Cloud Token app. She still owns it. And every single month, she's just received $500 just for doing that in Cloud Token. Now, because you've introduced her, she's on your level 1. You will receive 100% matching bonus. So if she receives $500, you receive $500. That's great. You then talk to somebody else who has $2,000 worth of Bitcoin that he moves across to his Cloud Token wallet. He's earning $200 a month just for doing that in Cloud Token. Now, again, your matching bonus, 100%. So now you're on $700 a month. You've only introduced 2 people. What happens when you introduce a third person who's got just under a Bitcoin sitting in blockchain? He moves it across to his Cloud 2.0 wallet on his smartphone. He's now earning $600 passively just for moving his Bitcoin, which he has complete control of. Now, because you've told him you're going to get 100% matching bonus, you've just received $600 as well, taking your total for the month of $1,300 off only 3 people. I hope you see the power in what I'm sharing with you here. That's only on level 1. What happens when the lady at the top there decides to tell her friend, or the guy in the middle tells their friend? They become your level 2. On your level 2, you'll receive a 50% matching bonus on what those people earn. And remember, you may not have nothing to do with that transaction. You may not even know them. So an example, this guy tells somebody else he's got 3 grand worth of Bitcoin that he puts into his Cloud 2.0 app on his smartphone. He's a happy chap. He's making $300. He's not doing anything. What do you get? 50% of that. He gets 300, you're getting 150. Bang, $1,450 a month coming in passively. This lady, 2,000, you know she's going to be earning herself $200 a month passively. For you, she's on your second level. You might not even know her, but that's earning you $100 per month in Cloud Token. 1,500. It gets better. Level 3. Level 3 down to level 21 away from you. You'll get a 5% matching bonus. Now, there's a very good chance you don't know any of the people levels 3 down to 21. But yet, every single day, you'll receive earnings from whatever they have in their own account. So let's say this guy, he's only got a small amount of Bitcoin, $800 worth. He's happy though, he's still making $80 a month. He's on your 3rd level. You're going to earn 5% matching bonus on what he's earned. So 5% of $80 is $4. Might not seem a lot, but you'll know if you've been around this industry before, levels 3 to 21, there'll be a lot of people down there. Those $4 will add up big time. What happens if this person has 12 grand, a Bitcoin and a half, or whatever it is today, sitting in Coinbase? He moves it across to his Cloud Token app. He puts it on his phone. He can still see it. He still has access to it. He's in control of it. But for doing that, he's earning $1,200 passively per month. He's on your 3rd level. 5% of what he earns, you get in matching bonus. That's a whopping $60, and you won't even know him. Look at where you're at now. 16, 14, passively coming in, and you might not even know these people on level 2 or level 3. And this goes down to 21 levels. Huge. There are people already making tens of thousands of dollars per day in this system. So how do you get started? It's very, very easy. You download the free app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. You get back in touch with the person that's introduced you. You get their referral code. You enter the referral code. You move your cryptocurrency onto your Cloud 2.0 app on your smartphone. You activate Jarvis by clicking a few buttons. Within 24 hours, 48 hours, you are now making money every single day. And you can be up and running in 30 minutes. It does not take long at all. I thank you for this presentation. I hope this makes sense. So I'll stop sharing. Thank you.